Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Hello car enthusiasts. Defective radiator hoses can lead to serious engine issues, making it crucial to understand and prevent these problems. In this comprehensive guide, we'll delve into the significance of radiator hoses, identify signs of defects, understand how these issues occur, and explore effective preventive measures. Join us as we uncover the importance of radiator hoses, recognize signs of defects, and learn how to prevent issues that could arise from defective radiator hoses. Understanding and preventing defective radiator hoses. Your engine overheating can be a sign of a defective radiator hose. When your vehicle's radiator hose is faulty, it can lead to engine overheating, which can cause serious damage to your car. In this video, we'll explore the common causes of defective radiator hoses, the signs to look out for, and the steps you can take to prevent this issue. Understanding the importance of a properly functioning radiator hose is crucial to maintaining the health of your vehicle's cooling system. Understanding the radiator hose. The radiator hose is a critical component in your car's cooling system, responsible for transporting coolant from the radiator to the engine and back. Understanding its role and importance can help you maintain your engine's optimal performance. What is a radiator hose? The radiator hose is a flexible tube, usually made of rubber, that carries coolant between the radiator and the engine. It is designed to withstand high temperatures and the pressure of the cooling system, ensuring the efficient flow of coolant. Importance of the radiator hose in engine cooling. The radiator hose plays a vital role in maintaining the engine's operating temperature within the optimal range. By carrying the coolant from the radiator, where it is cooled, to the engine, the hose helps dissipate heat generated during combustion. This process is essential to prevent the engine from overheating and potential damage. The reliable flow of coolant facilitated by the radiator hose is crucial for efficient heat exchange and proper engine function. Without a functioning radiator hose, the engine is at risk of overheating, which can lead to costly repairs and potential engine damage. Regular inspection and maintenance of the radiator hose can contribute to the overall health and longevity of your vehicle's engine. Signs of a defective radiator hose: visible leaks and cracks. Inspect your radiator hose for any visible leaks or cracks. Leaks or cracks are a clear indication of a defective radiator hose. These may be visible as a pool of coolant underneath your vehicle, especially after it has been parked for a while. Cracks or splits in the hose material are also signs that the hose needs to be replaced. Engine overheating. When a radiator hose is defective, it can lead to engine overheating. The hose may be leaking coolant, causing the engine to overheat. If you notice your temperature gauge running higher than normal, or if steam is coming from under the hood, it could be a sign of a defective radiator hose. Low coolant levels. A defective radiator hose can result in a loss of coolant. Regularly check your coolant levels, and if you find that they are consistently low without any visible leaks elsewhere in the system, it may be due to a defective radiator hose. Low coolant levels can lead to overheating and potential damage to the engine. Causes of radiator hose defects: wear and tear. Radiator hoses are prone to wear and tear over time due to constant exposure to high temperatures and pressure fluctuations. The repeated expansion and contraction of the rubber material can lead to weakening and eventual failure of the hose. Additionally, the constant vibration and movement of the engine can contribute to the degradation of the hose material, making it more susceptible to cracks and leaks. High temperatures. The extreme heat generated within the engine compartment can cause the rubber material of the radiator hose to deteriorate. Continuous exposure to high temperatures can lead to hardening and brittleness, making the hose more prone to cracking and splitting. The cooling system's inability to dissipate heat effectively can exacerbate this issue, further increasing the risk of hose damage. Chemical damage. Exposure to harsh chemicals and contaminants in the cooling system can also contribute to radiator hose defects. Chemical reactions with the rubber material can lead to corrosion and deterioration of the hose. Additionally, the presence of oil or coolant leaks can accelerate the breakdown of the hose material, leading to the development of weak spots and potential failure. Potential risks of ignoring defective radiator hoses. Engine damage. Ignoring a defective radiator hose can lead to severe engine damage. When a radiator hose is damaged or cracked, it can cause the engine to overheat, leading to potential warping of the cylinder head or engine block. This can result in costly repairs and prolonged downtime for your vehicle. Safety risks. Defective radiator hoses can pose significant safety risks to both you and your passengers. An overheating engine can lead to sudden breakdowns, leaving you stranded in unsafe locations. Additionally, a damaged radiator hose can cause coolant leaks, which may result in hazardous driving conditions due to reduced visibility from steam or fluid on the windshield. Costly repairs. Neglecting a defective radiator hose can ultimately lead to expensive repairs. The damage caused by an overheated engine or coolant leaks may require extensive repairs to the engine, cooling system, and other components. Addressing the issue early can save you from the financial burden of major repairs and lengthy downtime for your vehicle. Preventive maintenance for radiator hoses. Regular inspection. Regular inspection of your radiator hoses is crucial to preventing overheating issues. Look for signs of wear, such as cracks, bulges, or leaks. Inspect the hose clamps for tightness and ensure there are no visible signs of corrosion. It's also essential to check for any soft spots which could indicate weakness in the hose. Coolant flush and replacement. Performing a coolant flush at the recommended intervals helps to remove any contaminants that may contribute to hose deterioration. When replacing the coolant, ensure it's the appropriate type and mix recommended by the manufacturer. This not only extends the life of the hoses but also maintains the cooling system's efficiency. Using quality replacement parts. When it comes time to replace radiator hoses, opt for high-quality, OEM, or aftermarket hoses. This ensures a proper fit and reliable performance. Inferior hoses may not withstand the demands of the cooling system, leading to premature failure. Investing in quality replacement parts can save you from the inconvenience of unexpected breakdowns due to hose failure. Replacing a defective radiator hose. Identifying the defective hose. When your engine overheats, a defective radiator hose could be the culprit. To determine if the radiator hose is the issue, inspect it for leaks, cracks, or bulges. These are telltale signs that the hose needs to be replaced. Additionally, check for soft spots or collapsed areas, as these indicate a blockage that could be impeding the flow of coolant. Draining the coolant. Before replacing the defective hose, it's crucial to drain the coolant from the system. Begin by allowing the engine to cool down completely. Then, locate the drain plug on the radiator and place a container underneath to catch the coolant. Open the drain plug and let the coolant flow out. Be sure to dispose of the old coolant properly, as it is toxic to humans and animals. Installing the new hose. Once the coolant is drained, remove the clamps securing the defective hose to the radiator and engine. Carefully detach the hose and clean the connection points to ensure a proper seal for the new hose. Then, slide the new hose into place, making sure it fits securely. Reattach the clamps and fill the system with fresh coolant, following the manufacturer's recommended mixture. Finally, check for any leaks before starting the engine to ensure that the new hose is installed correctly. In closing, a defective radiator hose can lead to serious engine overheating issues, posing a risk to your vehicle's performance and safety. It's crucial to regularly inspect and maintain your radiator hose to prevent potential breakdowns and costly repairs. By staying vigilant and addressing any signs of wear or damage promptly, you can ensure that your engine operates smoothly and efficiently. Don't overlook the importance of this seemingly small component in safeguarding the overall health of your vehicle. Thank you for exploring our guide on understanding and preventing defective radiator hoses. By recognizing the signs and understanding the significance of radiator hoses, you're better equipped to prevent potential engine issues. Stay tuned for more insightful automotive maintenance tips and troubleshooting guides. Remember, ensuring the health of your radiator hoses is crucial in preventing engine problems. Keep an eye on your hoses to maintain a healthy engine and a smooth driving experience. Please don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.